with every aspect of it playing out on camera, including CCTV cameras, it has confirmed many people's worst fears about how elections, including low-level elections, can be manipulated. Take a look at this man. He's become the face of this entire ignominy. Anil Masi, the shameless presiding officer who was caught on camera invalidating votes, an act which the Supreme Court has now struck down as election malpractice, is the visible villain of this piece. He's not only become a global meme representing corruption and venality, but also the face of ridicule. A Chandigarh mayoral election wasn't ever going to make headlines, ever. Wasn't even going to be a take-note story in the national media. But as the first literal test of the BJP versus the newly formed India alliance, it suddenly had an inflated status, a litmus test, as it were, on the road to 2024. Losing the mayoral election fair and square likely wouldn't have had any real effect on the BJP beyond lighting up TV screens and celebrations of a psychological booster shot for the India alliance, the Aam Aadmi Party Congress combined in Chandigarh. So the question arises, why was this malpractice even allowed to happen? Did the higher-ups know about it? Beyond that, it probably wouldn't have mattered at all. Would we even be talking about the Chandigarh mayoral poll at this time? Which is precisely why I'm raising these big questions at the top of my show today. Was Anil Masi acting alone or acting under orders? Who ordered him to indulge in this election malpractice? What is the truth of what happened? What is the chain of command? The Supreme Court has had very harsh words for this entire episode, and rightly so. But the question is, will the Supreme Court also order an investigation into the actions of this man, who has now become a ridiculous poster boy for electoral corruption? In this seasoned viewer of Saam Daam Dand Bhed, the BJP will likely see this as a very small bump on an otherwise very smooth road to the 2024 election. For a splintering India alliance, the Supreme Court's aggressive verdict provides them a morale booster, no doubt about it. The question is, does the opposition have the stamina and the focus to use this verdict to reinforce its allegation that the BJP machine has captured all institutions and thereby amplify a real issue beyond the disparate and confusing narratives of the India alliance?